1 year after his departure, Mugabe's shadow looms large. Exactly a year ago today, then President Robert Mugabe, who had been in power for 38 years, announced his resignation, triggering an explosion of celebrations across the country. Some 12 months later, the euphoria of Mugabe's departure has died down. Zimbabwe has gone to the polls. Mugabe's replacement, President Emmerson Mnangagwa, has controversially won his first term, but the economy remains stuck in the mire. However, it is Mugabe's shadow that, like a flea, continues to dog not only the country, but ZANU-PF in particular. Questions remain on the legality of the process followed to force Mugabe into resignation a week after the army had stormed key state institutions and placed the former guerrilla leader under house arrest while scattering his most ardent henchmen. Former ZANU-PF, Masvingo urban lawmaker Daniel Shumba said he had not participated in Mugabe's impeachment because it had been unconstitutional. "I did not take part in the impeachment because it was an unconstitutional process and not because I wanted him to stay on. Even the internal processes in ZANU-PF that claimed to have recalled Mugabe were flawed. For starters, Mugabe was under house arrest, then Vice President Felixila Boko was outside the country, Mnangagwa had been fired while the party did not have a national chairperson," argued Shumba yesterday. The ZANU-PF Central Committee and Politburo met, chaired by then Secretary for Finance Albert Mpofo, who yesterday refused to comment on the matter. "I am not in the country. Please talk to spokesperson Simon K. Amoyo," said Mpofo.